Hello humans, how art thou today? Doing pretty dandy myself. So today's video is really exciting because our friends at Highkey Snacks have sent us something delicious that we're going to go ahead and try out. Now as you guys know, I've been on keto since last August or so, into July kind of thing. Granted, I'm pretty much at my target weight now. I was starting at like 240 and now I'm pretty much like 144. So I'm in like more of a maintenance keto. So pretty much I go keto hard for 2 weeks. Usually take a weekend to live life, eat crazy bad things, gain a few pounds, water weight. I lose it right away, get right back in ketosis, and I'm good to go because I'm not really trying to lose weight anymore. Just trying to live the lifestyle and be healthy and all that good stuff. But yeah, it's pretty fantastic way to lose weight and be healthy. It doesn't sound like it, the way that you eat like bacon and all other things, but trust me, it's a lot better than having tons of soda and all that crazy stuff. However, there are a lot of things that people miss, like snacks, cookies, yummies, crunchies, all that stuff. And Quest and other people, they tend to fill that gap. But I'm always looking for something new. So when I came across these, I reached out to these guys, and they were kind enough to let us try them out and see if we like them. So basically, I have two different kinds here. I have the chocolate chip and the Snickerdoodle. So we're gonna open these bad boys up, so you can get them for like, I think it's $13.97 for their 3-packs on their website. Trust me, it may sound a little expensive, but when you're having like one net carb and you're on keto, nothing is too expensive because if it tastes good, right? All right, and just so you know, I'm not starving. So I already had myself some bunless stuffed cheeseburgers today, so it's not gonna be hunger talking. It's gonna be, is this flavor amazing or is it not amazing? So I am much more interested in the chocolate chip. I will try them both, but let's go ahead and rip this bad boy open. Okay. There seems to be something else in here. Details for you. Oh. All right. So here they are right here. They are mini cookies. Again, so this whole pack here, it's 2 servings per container. So there's 2 net carbs per serving. So the whole bag is 4 carbs, which is not bad. In comparison to another company, Quest, they make cookies that are also 4 net carbs. You need to remember you're looking at total carbs is 11, but you got your fiber and your erythritol, and that brings it down. So this whole bad boy is 4. Obviously, I've got the chocolate chip ones right here, and then we'll open up the Snickerdoodle and see what they are. Oh, sweet. Okay, these are 1 net carb, and there's also 2 servings, about 6 pieces, so about 3 carbs per serving. I don't anticipate stopping, so I don't think anybody would, so they probably eat the whole bag. But again, if you're eating 4 carbs for a whole bag, that's perfectly fine. Especially like, for instance, today my burger, I make stuffed cheeseburgers. I'll throw American on the inside, Munster on the outside, and some bacon and all that good stuff. So the Munster and the American, I use the deli kind, so you're looking at about 1 carb total for a slice on inside each. And then the Munster is another carb, so it's about 3 carbs and cheeses, because cheeses do have little baby carbs. I do use like a ketchup mix. The ketchup I use has no sugar added, so it's 1 carb per tablespoon. So again, I'm getting 1 from that. So my burgers were 5 carbs. I had a Quest nacho chip for 4 carbs, so I've had 9 carbs today for dinner. I also had a Monster sugar-free, which was 2 carbs for the drink. So that puts me at 11 for the day, in the cheese sticks. So we're just gonna call it about 11 carbs total. So for me, 4 more carbs for a snacky snack, it's not a big deal. I got 9. And that's how your typical keto day is gonna go. Like, even I usually skip breakfast, and I actually will drink Rockstar generally instead of Monster, so I won't even have those 2 carbs. But yeah, so your day will usually have enough for these 4 for dessert. So we're gonna go ahead and open up this right here. And it is resealable, so that is good. I can definitely thank you guys for that, because obviously if it wasn't resealable, you're encouraging them to eat it all. So let's take a look. First is the smell test. It smells phenomenal, actually. Oh my gosh, this smells like just like Chips Ahoy. Holy crap. But how does it taste? Let's take a look at them. Remember, they are mini cookies, so they are meant to be small. Meant to be small and enjoyed. So 6 of these bad boys for 4. All right, I'm gonna take a little baby back. Shut the front door. What? Oh my God. Oh, man. Wow. Oh, my God. What? I'm so excited. Oh, man. Holy crap. Oh, man. I am not worthy. I am not worthy. These are so good. Oh my gosh. Now again, nothing wrong with Quest. I like them. They're big and you get 4, but you could taste a little difference. They're kind of softer or whatever. These taste just like Chips Ahoy, like the little round ones that are the crunchy and the chewy. Oh man. Don't even calculate 2 net carbs. You're gonna eat this whole bag. I'm gonna eat this whole bag. I'm now calculating. I got 4 for this, and I have 2 for the Snickerdoodles. That's 6. I got 6 carbs. I can wipe 2 of these out. I am like thinking about how maybe I can eat all of them. That's 4, 8, 12. I'm cool. I'm calm. These are really, really good. Yeah, I cannot emphasize it. Again, they're not a sponsor. They're not. I don't owe them anything. I don't have to give them compliments. This is a strict review. If the Snickerdoodles suck, I'll say it, but we're gonna find out. But these are the best damn cookies on keto that I've ever had in my life, and they're phenomenal. I'm so happy to be able to review those, and thank you guys for letting us try them. Let's do the Snickerdoodles now. Now, I'm not a super fan of Snickerdoodle, so it probably won't make me have such a crazy reaction, but I will be able to tell if I like them, or if they're good, rather. Ooh. That does smell good. It's your basic, like, cinnamon cookie. Alright, real good. Oh no. Alright, Oh man. Okay. Wow. Those are really, really good too. They don't stand a darn chance against the chocolate chip because I love chocolate chip. But if you are a Snickerdoodle fan, you will love these. Trust me. They're very cinnamony, very flavor forward. They're softer than the chocolate chip though. So I am now calculating here. Alright, so I gotta be careful. I probably can't eat them both in one day. Now think about it. Because this is, yes, this is 2 net carbs. This is 4 net carbs. It's only 6 net carbs. But 140 calories, so it's 280 calories for the whole bag. Not bad. 150, 300 calories for this bag. If I were to eat both of them, I'd be having like 580 calories. I'd feel kind of bad. So I will save one of these for tomorrow for my lunchy. And then I'll have this one tonight for dessert because I got a raid to do on World of Warcraft and I'm going to need something to make me happy because we're going to be wiping all night. So anyways, wow. Again, Highkey Snacks, thank you guys so much for sending those over. These were abso-freaking-lutely phenomenal. I cannot wait to keep ordering them. Guys, again, I cannot emphasize enough, the $13.97 is worth it. Again, you're going to get a bunch of them. And also, I mean, like you get 3 bags in a box and you got 6, 12, 18 cookies for $13.97. That's not bad. The Quest cookies. Again, I keep going back to them because they are the competition. And they are delicious too. And I still will eat them, I assure you. They're about $2 to $3 a pop. So all the prices and stuff, they're pretty darn comparable. I know that people will be like, oh, that's so expensive. But when you're just starting on keto, yeah, I get that concept. But once you've been on it a while, you start to realize erythritol is expensive. Go to the market. And you will see that erythritol bags soar over like $7, $8. It is not cheap stuff. The almond flour, the lupin flour, all that stuff, not cheap. So these amazing products these people are making, it's okay that they're expensive because I understand why. I have made my own keto bread. I haven't made my own stuff, and it is hard as hell to do these things. I made a very delicious keto bread on a cheeseburger and a bacon and cheese. It's amazing, and I'm very proud of it. But it was a lot of work, and that was just for me. So I can imagine the mass production, the cost, all that stuff. So yeah, it's expensive, but I promise you, you will not regret it. You may, if you're saying, oh, I've never tried Snickerdoodle, maybe I'll do that. I don't know how you feel. It depends on if you like cinnamon. But every freaking person that loves cookies loves chocolate chip. And I promise you, the only upsetness you will feel or regret or sadness at all is when this bag is empty and you'll want to eat the rest of them, which I say, calm down, calm down. But anyways, thank you guys all for liking, commenting, subscribing. Thank you for Highkey for sending those over to us. I can't wait to buy more of your stuff. I can't wait to see what else you come out with. Whoever your wizards are in the back end, I commend them, and I cannot wait to see what else they come out with. I have a preference for oatmeal raisin because I'm an old man. Sugar cookie. While we're throwing this out here, so Oh yeah, a peanut butter like cup or peanut butter fudge or something like that cookie. So these are just some you know, options. So, and I can't wait to try this with some milk. Now not the regular milk that dairy beverage had with the cereal. This will be fantastic. Other than that, yeah, we're good to go. I will be posting possibly another video on Sunday, if not Monday, because I might be out of town. But one of those 2 days, we have another Is It Worth It video. And I think we're good to go. And I will see you all possibly Sunday or Monday, meow.